Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if Bluetooth option not showing or missing on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you don't find Bluetooth option on your system tray or taskbar, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is restart your system. Sometimes restart can resolve various such type of issues, missing any options. So you must restart your system and check whether Bluetooth option is showing or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and here choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to open settings. From the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot and choose other troubleshooters. Click on other troubleshooters and here run Bluetooth troubleshoot. Scroll down and you will find the option Bluetooth. Click on run and follow on screen instruction to complete the Bluetooth troubleshooting in your Windows 11 and 10 system. This is an inbuilt tool of any Windows system troubleshoot. You must apply for any of the error. And check whether Bluetooth option showing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button again and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key. Here type msdt.exe id device diagnostic. Execute this command, click on OK. It will open device, hardware and devices troubleshooters page. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically. And click on next and follow on screen instruction to complete the drive and hardware and device troubleshooting process. After that, restart your system and check whether your Bluetooth option missing error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose device manager. In device manager windows, go to the Bluetooth section, expand it, right click on your Bluetooth adapter driver, a list of all available Bluetooth driver in your system. Simply go your Bluetooth driver, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and close the windows and check whether Bluetooth option not showing on your Windows 11 and 10 system resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button again and here again go to choose settings and here go to Bluetooth and devices from the left side. Thereafter go to right side and click on view more devices. In Windows 10, you may directly proceed with show related device settings, Bluetooth settings. Here scroll down and you will find the option related settings and just beside it scroll down and you will find more Bluetooth settings. Click on it. A new window will open. Bluetooth settings. Here make the show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Make sure that this option is enabled. If you found it unchecked, then check it and apply and OK to save the changes. The next method to fix this issue is right click on the start button and choose run, and in run command box type services.msc. It will open services windows in your system. Click on OK. In services windows, look for the option Bluetooth support services. From available services, go to Bluetooth support services, right click on it, and if you found it in a stop mode, then start it. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties windows, and here go to a startup type section and select the startup type as automatic. And finally, choose apply and OK to save the changes. Thereafter, check whether your system Bluetooth option missing error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open control panel in your system and here look for the power option. Click on power options. Power option Page will open here from the left side. Click on choose what the power button does. Thereafter choose change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on this link and here scroll down and disable turn on fast startup. Make sure that fast startup option is unchecked. And after that, don't forget to restart your system and your Bluetooth option missing error definitely be resolved. That's all.